A brand new high-tech HVAC system is going into Amalie Arena to keep you and me safe once crowds resume there. It's called bipolar ionization. What this system does is create a charge on air particles before they leave the HVAC system. This turns them into little magnets sticking to dust particles, bacteria, and viruses. That causes those particles and viruses to be larger, making them easier to filter by a filter itself or heavy enough to even fall out of the air and into the ground and not ever bother us. The new system is being installed now and should keep us safe for years to come.